Good morning, class. I'm making this recording because I'm going to be gone today, and I wanted to let you know what you need to be doing. So, today we are working on Chapter 2, and you will be listening to it in class. I got a good question last night via the Remind app from Allie Went, and she was wanting to know, are we going to have time in class to work, or are we just going to read? Well, the answer is both, kind of. You'll be able to listen to Chapter 2 in class today, and you'll be able to work on your dialectical journal entries. However, you won't really have time to work on your questions or on your vocabulary. So that kind of thing, the vocabulary for sure is a homework activity. And sometimes you can't really do all your dialectical journaling while you're listening because then you miss the next few chapters or paragraphs, not chapters, paragraphs. And so you might just want to mark them with a sticky note and then go into your dialectical journal and finish those later. So the answer is it depends upon how you work. And so if you prefer to just work in class and read at home on your own and you don't like listening to the audiobook, that's totally fine. It's totally up to you. Let me just show you where you need to go, okay, in case you've forgotten. You go to your classes, because all of this work that we're doing is on the actual slideshow that I shared with you already. You don't need to print it out. There's only one page you need to print out, and it's the questions. And you'll print those out Friday before you come to class or Thursday evening. So you go to ELA, you go to classwork, and then at the very bottom of classwork, you will find your, next to the one that's due September 28th, so it's the next to the last one, Johnny Tremain Section 1, and from here, yours looks different than mine. I believe you have to go in and view the assignment, but here's the slideshow. And once you open that, it has all the directions in it. And you need to slide down to Dialectical Journal, and then that's where you will do your 10 Dialectical Journal entries for Section 1, which is Chapters 1, 2, and 3. Chapter 2 is the one that we're reading today. It ends on page 47. That's what you need to have read to before you come to class tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good class period. I hope you're good for Miss Sadler, and I'll miss you, and I'll see you tomorrow.